Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So today I'm going to show you how to soften up your palm. Dried palms can be a headache, especially if you are a lady. If you shake hands, it's so rough and your touch is not soft. In this video, I'll show you how I use lactic acid to soften up my palm. Not only is this gonna soften up your palm, but if you've got dark palms, it's gonna lighten it up a little bit. Without wasting much time, let's just get started. So to start, you have to get your palms clean. I have washed my palms with soap. Now you're also gonna need some lactic acid, and this is 80% concentration. Make sure you get a bowl of cool water on standby. Now put a little of the lactic acid into your palm and just rub it. Rub it till it kind of absorbs into your palm. Leave this on your palm for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're gonna realize that your palm is slightly reddish. Now dip it in the cold water and rinse it off. Afterwards, just pat it dry. You can come in with a little bit of your hand cream, or you can use an oil. Just rub it in your palm. If your palms are very rough, you can do this once every week. And this is gonna soften it up immediately. You are also gonna realize that it's gonna lighten up your palm. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. And until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.